Uncrewed aerial systems or drones are disruptive technology that are reshaping industries worldwide. Drone use is increasing rapidly, and it's my mission to make drone science entertaining and accessible. Before we start, I want to share something that can transform your drone program. We've worked with over 50 enterprise programs and found the exact factors that separate struggling operations from those that deliver millions in ROI. We've put these insights into our free Enterprise Drone Program Maturity Assessment. It's a $2,500 value. It's designed to show you your program's maturity stage, reveal your top 3 quick wins, and give you a roadmap for growth. Don't miss out on this free opportunity. The link is in the description. All right. Hi, everyone. It's Jason San Souci of the Do No Drones podcast. Broadcasting live episode 2 of our live micro podcast sessions from booth 948 at the Commercial UAV Expo. We are asking one question. That one question. Well, let me first introduce my guest. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. So let me introduce. We have the, is it CEO? CEO?
Yeah.
Owner, president,
founder,
grand poobah,
well,
founder of Clarify Consulting. We have Mr. Dan Fuller. Dan, welcome to the show.
yeah, thank you for being here. I appreciate it.
No, I'm glad that you're here. So the one question, which I did not change on you, is, look, there's a lot of things going right in the drone industry right now. A lot of things, which is great,
Yep.
right? Like just seeing the number of exhibitors and new exhibitors. There's a lot of buzz, a lot of things going on, right? We even have a Buzz AI Solutions right across the hallway. So I want to know, what is not going right? What's going wrong
Sure.
in the drone industry right now? I want to be slightly controversial, and I want to understand what, in your opinion, do you believe is going wrong in the drone industry?
Sure. Yeah, no, good question. And, I'm going to probably flip that a little bit and put a positive spin on it at the end. But yeah, I think what I find with a lot of the small kind of companies that I work with in the industry across commercial and defense, a lot of different sectors, is trying to, especially in the early stages, trying to be a jack of all trades, right? Not understanding the customer enough to really kind of bet the farm on, these are my target people, this is my market. So we end up with, and you can walk around, yet another quadcopter, yet another fill in the blank, right? I'm not picking on the quadcopter guys, but there's a lot of systems that just aren't standing out for a lot of good, they haven't identified their unique selling point. They haven't identified who their key customer is. And so I like to see when companies understand the market enough and to know that, like, we're going after the oil and gas inspection market. Like, I have the best widget for that thing, the solution, to be a better term, right? I have the solution for that problem that we've identified, and you can gobble up that market because you're the best at that thing. And then you can broaden and grow from there and grow your portfolio. But when you're trying to do everything, you're not doing much very good that stands out. And then you're lost in the sea of other stuff.